6 is the 6th month of this year. Which is the 6th month of this year? It is June. Yes, now we are in June month. Next, 2020. We are in the year of 2020 now. Okay, so what is that? What is today's date? 11/6/2020. What day is today? Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. How many days are there in the week? We'll give a quick recap. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So we have 7 days in a week. Okay. Now, today we are going to have reading time. Today we are going to have reading time. Okay. These things already you must have learnt in UKG, LKG and UKG. But we are going to give a recap and we are going to learn more about it. Yes. Now let's see what we are going to do. Yes. That is phonics sound of each letters. Phonics sound, phonetic sound. Each letter is having its own sound. Each letter is having its own sound. Okay. Actually, when it is blending with, when it is joining with some other letter, it may change sometimes. Okay. So, it has its own rules and regulations. So, today we are going to start with letter S. Today we are going to start with letter S. Children, this is purely reading session. So, listen carefully. No need to note down anything in this. Only listening and repeating by muting your audio. Okay. Yes, will you follow me? Very good. So, letter S. What is the sound of letter S? You had seen the snake sound. You had heard the snake sound. How it will be? Like that only the snake makes a sound, right? Yes. The sound of S is hissing sound like a snake. The S sound. The S sound is a hissing sound like a snake. Okay. Now we will all say together. Now we will all say together. Okay. Before that, what you will do? You have to open your mouth. Okay. You have to open your mouth, but you should close your teeth. Close your teeth. Oh, I think all are following me and repeating me there. What is the sound of S? Hissing sound of snake. How does it make sound? Okay. Now, I am going to tell you the action of letter S. That is sound. Sound of letter S. How to say letter S. Okay. Give me one moment. I'll switch on my video. So, this is what we have done now. Yes? Yes? Okay. Sangeeta ma'am, my screen is visible there?
Ma'am, it is visible.
Yeah, okay. Thank you. Yes. Now it's a rhyme time. Now we learnt about the letter S and phonetic sound of S. Now we are going to sing a song. Sing one rhyme on that. Yes, we will start. Okay. You must have all seen this already. But now again we will do it. When you are singing, you must do the action. You must do the action with your hand. Okay. Yes. How did we do? In the shape of yes. And your mouth should be, when you are saying yes, your mouth should be little partially opened, teeth must be closed. Uppers and lower, it must be closed, and you should say okay. Yes. Now we will start. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yes, we will repeat again and again. Now you know this lyrics, right? Will you sing along with me? The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Yes, last time we will sing now. Now I will sing continuously. You must sing along with me. Okay. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. So when you are singing this, what you will do? You will do the action like S. You will do the action like the shape of yes. Okay. Now we saw letter S and we saw the sound, phonetic sound of letter S, and we saw the action for that sound, and we had seen the rhyme for that sound. Okay. Now we are going to see words that begins with yes. Now we are going to see the words that begins with yes. Okay, just one moment. Yeah. What is the first one? Snake. Snake. Yes, the snake.
Sorry to disturb you. Kindly keep your mic little away, ma'am, because there's air pushing. No, there's air pushing out in the mic, so we're not able to get the correct audible word.
Okay.
Little away. When you especially say the sound.
Okay, now it's okay.
Yes, ma'am, it is okay now.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now we are going to see the words that begins with yes. Okay. So what is the first picture there and the word near that? Snake. Snake. The snake word begins with yes. Yes. Okay. Now what is the next one? Star. Star. The star word begins with yes. Yes. Okay. What is the next one? Scientist. Scientist. Here there are two yes coming here. The beginning letter of this word is also yes, and that before to that last letter, scientist. Scientist. There also one S sound is coming. Yes? Wow, very good. Scientist. So where all you can see the S sound? The beginning time and in the see here and here. Scientist. Okay. So again and again if you say the word and see, you can see where the sound is coming. Okay. Now what is the next picture? 1 minute. What is the next picture here? Seal. Seal. So the seal word begins with yes. The seal word begins with letter yes. Wow, what is the next one? You all like it very much, yes? Me too. Sandwich. Sandwich. Sandwich word begins with letter S. Sandwich. So, whenever you are saying, you have to press that sound and say sandwich. Okay, now we will give it. I will give you a quick recap of the words that begins with S. Snake, star, scientist, seal, sandwich. Okay. Now we are going to see the words that has S in the middle. In the middle of some words also yes is coming. We are saying the sound of yes. And in the end, when it is finishing, when it is ending also, we are having S for some words. But here I am having very few examples. Okay. Now we will see this. One moment. Yes. Can you see this? What is the first one? Purse. 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 Yes, we are saying it in the almost. We are saying it in the end. We are saying that sound S in the end, almost end. Yes. What is the next word? Insect. Insect. So we are saying that sound in the middle of that word. Yes, we are saying that sound in the middle of that word. And now we will see this word. Muzzle. Kanna, mute your audio. Muzzle. Muzzle. Where we are saying the sound? In the middle of that word. Muzzle. Muzzle. Yes? Okay. Now we saw 3 words where we are seeing the S in the middle. Now we are going to see it in the end. We are going to see S sound in the end of that word. Okay. What are these boys doing? I think they are playing. Okay. Boys. See, if one boy is there, we will say it as boy. When one more than boy is there or there, we will say it as boys. 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 So we are saying that sound in the end of that word. Okay. Now, glasses. 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 Here, middle also it is coming, and we are saying that sound at the end of this word also. Glasses. Glasses. Okay, now we will move on to the next one. Wow, what is this? I believe it is a classroom, right? You are missing a lot for this classroom. Even me too. I miss you all too in my class. Okay, what is this? Class. 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 So this sound, we are saying it in the end of this word. Okay. Now I will give you a quick recap of these words. Purse. Purse. Muscle. Muscle. Insect. Insect. Boys. Boys. Glasses. Glasses. Last one, class. Class. Okay, now you saw where all we stressed and pronounced this letter, sound of this letter is. Okay, now today what you will do is, when you are looking around and saying something or talking something to your parent, where all this sound yes, it is coming, you have to say it to your mummy. Okay, if you are saying something else like a popsicle, we are saying S in the middle. Yes. So when you are saying some words, whatever you want to talk with your parents or brother or sister, so you must say, Mummy, today we saw this letter S. No, that letter sound S is coming in this word. Like that, you have to remember and say it. Okay. Okay. Now we saw words. Till now, we are moving on to sentence. We are moving on to sentence. Now, I will read the sentence. You have to listen carefully and see where all letter sound of this letter S it is coming. Okay. Put your audio. Yes, now we will see the first sentence. The mouse is sleeping in the house. The sound of S. The mouse is sleeping sorry, in the house. So these are the sound we had used in this sentence. I'll recap again. The mouse is sleeping in the house. Second one. The snake slithered down the slide. The snake slithered down the slide. So where all we were using this S sound, letter S sound, snake slithered slide. Yes. The snake slithered down the slide. Now we will move on to the third sentence. The boys and girls smiled for the group photo. The boys and girls smiled for the group photo. Now we will see where all we stressed this sound is. Boys, girls, ending sound. For boys and girls, it is ending sound. Smiled. It is the beginning sound. I couldn't put it properly. Yes, smiled. So these are the three places we stretched the letter S sound. Okay. Now we will move on to the last one. Eggs and biscuits are so delicious. Eggs and biscuits are so delicious. Now, where all we saw S here? Eggs, biscuits. Here, we are using this letter S sound in the middle and in the end also. Biscuits or so delicious. Here in the delicious, it is ending sound. Delicious. Okay, now I will give a quick recap of this sentence now. The mouse is sleeping in the house. The snake slithered down the slide. The boys and girls smiled for the group photo. Eggs and biscuits are so delicious. Okay. Now we saw words that begins with S and that is having middle and ending sound with S. And we saw some sentence for examples. Now, you are expecting most enjoyable time is coming now. That is story time. That is story time. But we are going to see the story for letter yes. Okay, Sangeeta ma'am is going to continue and she will ask some questions also. Okay. So you listen carefully. Yes, over to Sangeeta ma'am. Please continue.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. Okay, children. Now, Savitri ma'am taught you the letter S and its phonic sound, right? You learn the phonetic sound of letter S. What it is? It is the hissing sound of a snake. It is the hissing sound of a snake. So you should remember. With the help of you, will be okay. Now, ma'am. Now can you hear me? Okay. Yeah, so you should learn the sound of the letter yes. Sound of the letter yes. Okay. Then only you'll be able to read each and every word from the book. Okay, children. Now we will step into a story. So now we will step into a story. Yes. What is the story all about? The story is all about the letter S. Okay. And the story is about two girls. The story is about two girls. Let's see what is the story. Yes, it is Sumi sees a snake. Sumi sees a snake. So you can see from the slide 3 S we can see, right? Not even 3, 4 S's we can see, right? From the name Sumi, then from the word sees, 2 S's we can see, and from the word snake. Yes, children. See how the sound is coming out when we spell out the letter S. Sumi sees a snake. Okay, now shall we get into the story? Yes, okay. Now everyone should listen to me very carefully. Okay, children. So when a ma'am is telling a story, when ma'am is reading a story, the main thing is listening. Listening is the main skill you have to improve. Okay, children. Now let's start. Sumi is a smart girl. Sumi is a smart girl. Wow. See, the girl is very smart. She does her homework on time. She goes for play. And again she'll come back and do a household work also by helping the parents. Everything she does. So that is why she's been called as, she's been saying as smart girl. We say Sumi as a smart girl. Right? Okay. Now, she is 7 years old. So how many years old she is? 7 years old. You all are 6 years old, no children. Now she is 7 years old. So she'll be elder to you, right? Okay, let's see next. She lives on Star Street. She lives on Star Street. Okay. So she's living in a Star Street. Like you people live in one particular area, one place, right? In that place, you have so many streets, right? When I ask you, you will be telling me about the location along with your street, right? Likewise, Sumi is staying in a street called Star Street. What is the name of the street? Star Street. Okay. She loves to play in the garden. To play, right? So Sumi loves to play in the garden. Yeah. Okay. She loves to play with a friend. Okay. She loves to play. Okay. Where she loves to play? Is it in park? Like Bunty? No. She loves to play in the garden. Okay. When the sun comes out. When the sun comes out. Okay. So when she wants to play? When the sun comes out in morning hours, right? So she likes to play in the morning hours, not even in the evening hours. She loves to play in the morning hours. I hope she'll be playing only on Saturday and Sunday, right? Because Monday to Friday, I hope she'll be going to school, so she'll not be able to play in the morning hours. So I think that time alone she'll play in the evening hours. But she loves to play in the morning. Like what she says is, when the sun comes out. Okay, fine. Shall we move on to the next? Yes. One day, while going to school. One day, while going to school. What happened? Let's see what happened. One day they were going to school. Let's see what happened. Yes. Ooh, she sees a snake. She sees a snake. Ooh, see, one day they were going to school. What they saw? They saw a snake, right? Look, Sia, there is a snake. She says, who's saying this? Sumi. Sumi saying, look, Sia, there is a snake. Okay, so one day while they're going to school, towards the school, they saw a snake. They saw a snake. So let's see what happens next. Sia takes a sharp stick and says. So Sia takes a short stick and says. So what? Sumi told that she saw a snake, right? Once she told what Sia is doing, a friend. What is she doing? She immediately took a short stick and now she says, do not go near it. Do not go near it. So she's telling, don't go near the snake. Why is she telling like that? Why Sumi is telling like that to Sia? Because snake will harm us, right? So that is why she also got fear out of it, right? So Sumi's telling to Sia, don't go near it. But let's see what happens. The snake goes away after some time. The snake goes away after some time. So as they were standing itself and looking out, they saw a snake, right? They didn't go near it. And after some time, what happened? The snake itself moved off. The snake also left the place. So the snake was there, so it moved away. So they able to go to where they were going. They were going towards the school. Okay. So what happens? Sumi feels safe and goes to school. Yes. So the snake moved away. So now she felt that she's very, very safe and she's happily going to school. Right, children? Okay. So this is all about the story of Sumi and Sia. Okay, so this is all about Sumi and Sia. See, okay, now we have come across so many words with the letter S. With the letter S. Let's see what are those words. Okay, children? Yes. Yes. What it is? Yes, it is a picture of a girl. What is her name? Sumi. What is her name? Sumi. What is the sound we are getting? The hissing sound. Sumi. Sumi. Okay. Now. Okay, see? What is a Sumi's friend name? Sia. What is her name? Sia. See? The letter S. How we are getting the sound? The hissing sound of a snake. Sia. Okay. Then. Yes, she was staying in a what street? Star Street, right? Okay, now they are mentioned here as street, on the street here. So it is starting with the letter S. So what is the sound we are getting? Street, street, okay. Then, next slide. Yeah, what it is? She told she likes to play in the morning hours when the what comes out? Sun. So what is the word here? Sun. So what is the letter starting with? S. So what is the sound? Hissing sound of a snake. Sun. Okay. Yes. She's where they are going? Where they are going? They're going towards the school. They are going towards the school. So what is the sound we are getting? The first letter is S here. So the hissing sound of a snake. School. School. Karunya, can you mute your audio, dear? Okay, next. On the way, what they saw? They saw a snake. Snake. The letter S is in the starting, right? So it is a starting letter. So what is the sound we are getting? Hissing sound of a snake. Snake. Right? Okay, let's see what is the next word was saw from the story. Yes, it is at last. What is the thing? What Sia did? She took a stick. What she did? She took a stick. So the letter S is in the starting, right? So what is the sound we are getting? Hissing sound. So stick. Okay, children. So these are the words which we came across the story Sumi and Sia. Okay, the story which we came across. So these are the words which started with the letter S and the sound. So I hope today you learned the phonetic sound of the letter S. Right? So